Listen, if your credit score is sitting at 550, you're in the gutter. Lenders see you as high risk and you're bleeding money with insane interest rates. But here's the truth, if you know the system, you can jump to 700 in as little as 30 days. Step 1. Pull your full credit reports from Annual Credit Report. Com. That's Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Don't guess, know exactly what's dragging your score down. Step 2. Dispute errors fast. 1 in 5 credit reports has mistakes, wrong balances, late payments that weren't late, accounts that aren't yours. File disputes directly with the bureaus. They legally have 30 days to investigate, and a successful removal can add 50 100 points overnight. Step 3. Kill your utilization. The number one factor after payment history is credit card balances. If you're maxed out, your score tanks. The hack? Pay cards down to under 30% of the limit, ideally under 10%. Even one big paydown can trigger a massive score boost the next reporting cycle. Pro move, if you can't pay it off, ask for a credit limit increase. That lowers your utilization without spending a dime. Step 4. Handle collections smart. If you've got recent collections, call the agency and negotiate a pay-for-delete deal. Don't just pay them, get it in writing that they'll remove it from your report. A deleted collection can launch your score up by 80 points. Step 5. Add positive history instantly. If your file is thin or full of negatives, piggyback on someone else's clean credit. This is called an authorized user trade line. If you've got a friend or family member with a card that's been open for years, low utilization, no late payments get added. Their history reports on your file, and you inherit that positive track record instantly. Step 6. Fix your payment game. Late payments murder your score for years. Starting today, set up auto pay on everything. Even one missed bill resets your progress. Step 7. Use Experian Boost or rent reporting. These tools add your on-time utility or rent payments to your report, padding your positive history. It's not a miracle, but every little bit counts. Now let's be real, going from 550 to 700 in 30 days takes discipline and precision. If your score is trashed from bankruptcies or years of lates, you might need more than a month. But if your 550 is from high balances, a couple collections, or bad reporting, you can absolutely see a 150-point jump in 30 days by following this playbook. Bottom line, credit is a game. If you understand the rules, errors, utilization, deletions, positive history, you can rig it in your favor. A 700 score means lower rates, better approvals, and more financial breathing room. Don't wait, start today, and in 30 days, you won't recognize your credit. And if this video gave you value, smash that subscribe button. I've got more straight facts to take you from broke credit to boss credit.